2-2, the distributive property, part 1.
All right, so today we're going to discuss the distributive property. And the distributive property states basically that for every real number a, b, and c, where if we have the a multiplied by the quantity b plus c, that's equal to ab plus ac. And I know that seems kind of complicated, guys, but I'm going to explain it, and hopefully you'll get it in the way that...
I think I remember that we just did this one together without the green screen.
Yeah.
So I already know.
Okay, so and a can be in the front or it can be in the back. So you can have the quantity b plus c multiplied by a is equal to ba plus ca.
Does that mean, like, if any order, they could be the same if they're just, like, the same numbers?
Kind of, and I'll explain more as we go along. So if I asked you guys to do 7 times 27, could you do that?
No.
No, that'd be kind of hard. But if I broke things up a bit and I said, can you do 7 times the quantity 20 plus 7? Because 20 plus 7 is the same as 27, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if we did that, you guys might have a little bit of trouble, but, you know, my students hopefully could do that. So they would do 7 times, you could do distributive property and say 7 times 20
I didn't know all the
plus
properties.
7 times 7. I know you're going to learn the properties, okay? But you got to pay attention. So 7 times 20 plus 7 times 7. Well, 7 times 20 is 140. 7 times 7, you guys should know, is 49. And we add those together and we get 189. So that's what 7 times 27 is.
That's a little simpler.
It does. It's a way of breaking things up or putting things together. It also works for subtraction. So if you have a times the quantity b minus c, then that's going to be equal to ab minus ac. And again, this stuff is a little bit hard for you too. So if you have questions, you can ask, or just sit and listen, and that's fine. And again, you can have the a in the back. It doesn't matter. So now the way I kind of think of this is, you know when you go to a party and you have the gift bags at the end, they give you the birthday parties and they give you the little gift bags?
Yeah.
Think of the parentheses as gift bags and the stuff inside as the treats. Okay? The number on the outside is telling how many gift bags you have to have that you're giving out.
2.
So yeah, we have 2 gift bags, and in each gift bag there's an X and a 5. Maybe X's are dots, and the 5 could be those little mini Tootsie Rolls or something. Okay? So if we have 2 gift bags, and in each gift bag there's an X and a 5, how many X's do we have?
1.
No, if there's 2 gift bags...
Oh, 2.
2 X's, and how many 5s are there?
10. 2.
Well, you're right, 10 when we put them all together, but 2 sets of 5.
So it's 2 times 5.
It's 2 times 5, exactly. So we have 2 times X. Everything inside is going to get multiplied by 2. So 2 times X is, and then we have 2 times 5, like you said.
2 times 5 is 10.
So then we're going to simplify it. 2 times X is just 2X, and 2 times 5 is 10, like you guys have been saying.
So...
This is 2x plus 10.
And then it simplifies to 2x plus 10, exactly.
Ooh.
Okay, so let's try this one. This is a little tricky because we haven't really done negatives. So let's say we're going to take back 5 gift bags because our guests were mean and we didn't like them. They didn't give us good presents, I don't know. So we have a negative 5 and then negative 2x minus 1.
They ate all the cake.
So the first thing that we're going to do is, that's the number we're going to multiply. That's our a. So everything gets multiplied by negative 5. So what's going to get multiplied by negative 5? Anybody have a guess?
The 2x.
Good. So it's actually a negative 2x. So I'm going to say negative 2x, but that's good. And what else?
The 11.
That's
the 1.
Not that's a 1. But it's a minus 1. So we're going to keep that
negative 1.
Very good. Negative 1. So we have negative 5 times negative 1. Do you know what a negative times a negative is?
No, nothing.
No.
Nothing.
No. A negative times a negative is a positive. And you'll hear about that more. So you guys, I expect my students to know that, but not you two.
That's weird.
So that gives me negative 10x. And then what's negative 5 times negative 1? What's
Positive.
Very good.
Positive something.
What's 5 times 1?
5.
Oh, it's positive 5.
So we're going to put plus Yeah, jinx. All right, Cruz, don't hit her, else I'll hit you. All right, my students will see how mean I am. All right, so here's our gift bags. How many gift bags do we have?
We have
12.
12 gift bags. Okay, so that's how many gift bags we have. What do we have in the gift bags? We have
2y plus 5w.
Okay, so we have 2 yo-yos in each gift bag,
Ooh.
and 5. What would be good for? What's a W? Water
Um,
buffaloes.
Yeah.
Wheels. I don't know. 5
Water.
5 water bottles. Okay. So each gift bag has 2 yo-yos and 5 water bottles. It's kind of a lame party. So if we have 12 guests, if they're going to get, each guest gets 2 yo-yos.
Wait, I got a good idea. Instead of water bottles, watches.
Watches. Okay, we'll do watches. Okay, so what are we going to multiply? Everything gets multiplied by 12. So what's getting multiplied by 12?
2y and 5w.
Very nice.
2 yo-yos and 5 watches.
Okay, so if we have 12 times 2 yo-yos, how many yo-yos are we going to have? What's
I don't know.
12 times 2?
It's 24.
24. 24 yo-yos. And how many watches are we going to have?
Well, okay.
That's hard.
What are we doing to get that? Find that.
12 times 5.
12 times 5. Do you know what 12 times 5 is?
60.
Watches.
Yes.
So 60W. And there's our answer. Okay. So, what are we multiplying our parentheses by this time?
Negatives.
Negative.
Negative what?
Negative.
Negative.
2x
X,
and 1.
And
And
Well,
negative,
that's the main thing. What's the...
negative 3.
Negative 3. So everything's being multiplied by negative 3.
Okay.
What's getting multiplied by negative 3? Do you know?
2x and 1.
Okay. Okay. It's not just 2x. What do you see in front of that 2?
Negative 2x.
Negative 2x. So we're going to go negative 3 times negative 2x, and then negative 3 times 1. Now we need to simplify it. So what's negative 3 times negative 2x?
It's supposed.
Negative. Wait, no. 6x.
Very good, because a negative times a negative is a positive. And what's now? I didn't tell you this. Let's see if you can figure it out. We have negative 3 times 1. What's a negative times a positive? Any guesses?
Oh, I don't know.
A negative positive.
Kind of. It's a negative. If the signs are different, the answer is negative. So negative 3. So what's 3 times 1?
3.
And since it's going to be a negative, we're going to say it as a
Right.
minus 3, because a minus is the same as a positive. Or sorry, is a subtraction problem. Cruz, stop playing with that, please.
I was trying to get it closer.
Don't. Or we could say 6x plus negative 3.
Oh, okay.
So either of those are the same thing.
That's bigger.
Okay, so what are we gonna? How many gift bags do we have?
Yeah,
3 gift bags. What do we have in the gift bags?
Watches.
How many watches?
4 watches.
No, not 4.
Negative 4 watches.
Not negative 4. That 4 isn't in front of the W, is it?
None.
So we have 1 watch, and then a minus 4.
1 minus 4.
So
Okay.
it's a
So
negative number.
well, so we're gonna have 3 times W,
Wait, I know. I
and
think I
then
know the
hold on,
answer.
Cruz, and then 3 times a minus 4. What's 3 times W?
3 times W is 3.
No, think of it. How many W's do you see right there?
1.
1. So what's 3 times 1?
I
3.
said 3.
But 3 what?
3
Watches.
You need to put the 3W. So you need to put 3W, and then what's 3 times negative 4?
Negative 12.
Negative 12. Okay. Good job. So we have 3 watches. We need to get 3 watches and a minus 12 of something.
A minus 12 watches.
And instead of writing minus 12, we could also put plus negative 12. That's the same thing.
Okay.
Okay. So how many gift bags do we have?
5.
5. And what is in the gift bags?
One net shooter.
One. How about one nickel?
One nickel.
No, one net shooter.
Net shooter? Okay, what's a net shooter?
I mean, like it's like a gun that shoots nets.
Okay.
That we saw.
And what else do we have besides one net shooter?
13 yo-yos.
13 yo-yos.
Woo, that's the
Okay.
part.
So everything's getting multiplied by 5, like you said. So what's going to be multiplied by 5? 5 times what?
5 times n.
5 times
times
n. And
Which
what else?
5 times 13.
Y.
Very good. I'm glad. Nice that you said the y, Cruz. Excellent job. So what's 5 times n simplified to?
5 times 1, so it's 5.
5.
And
We got to include the n. Don't forget the n. Now, I don't expect you guys to know what 5 times 13 is, but Gabby, do you remember what 5 times 12 was?
5 times 12 was 60.
So if 13's one more, what's one more set of 5?
One more set of 5 is 65.
Would be very good. So it would be 65y. So we need 5 net catchers and 60
net shooters.
net shooters. I'm sorry, and 65 yo-yos.
Oh, that's weird.
Okay, now this one gets a little bit complicated. So, what do we have? How many bags do we have?
3 kilograms.
Well, yeah, it's a little. This is where it doesn't quite work, but we have 3K. So everything's going to be multiplied by 3K. So when you multiply by a variable, you basically just end up putting the variable in the back. So we're going to have 3K times negative xy, and then 3K times negative 5. So we have 3 times negative 1. Think of that. If you don't see a number in front, there's a 1. So that's going to give us negative 3kxy. And then we have, do you guys have a guess? What's 3k times negative 5? Any guesses?
Isn't the k supposed to be like 1?
Wait.
No, just ignore the k for a second.
Wait.
What,
Wait.
15.
positive or negative 15?
Negative.
Because it's a minus.
I'm just about to say it.
That's okay. I know. You both are doing really good. I'm impressed. So this is probably because we've been doing a lot. Let's have them try to do this one. So go ahead and pause the video and see if you can get it on your own. Okay. So when you've got your answer, go ahead and unpause. And Cruz is making silly. No, you guys are being goofy.
No, it's like right answer
So what do you?
or wrong
Oh,
answer.
okay. So how many gift bags do we have?
3.
3. And what do we have? What do we have in each gift bag?
X-rays.
X-rays,
And
yo-yos,
Zebra.
zebra,
Toy zebra.
toy zebra, or a real zebra, you know, if you want to be
Zebra.
crazy.
Yeah, zebra.
Okay. So, if we have 3 gift bags, and in each gift bag there's an X-ray, a yo-yo, and a zebra, how many X-rays are we going to have all
I
together?
have 1.
Not 1. Remember, there's 3 gift bags, and if in each gift,
3.
so we need to go 3 times X, 3 times the X-rays, 3 times the yo-yos, 3 times the zebras. So how many X-rays are we going to have?
3x, and for the yo-yos, 3y, and for the yo-yos, 3 zebras.
Uh-huh.
3.
All right, and that's our answer.
That's
Hey, guess
And
what?
that's-
It's 3. It's 3.
And that's the end.
The last
Okay.
one was
and
the last one was 3. 3.
Thank you very
That's
much,
weird.
guys. We're all done.
Bye.
worksheet activity 4-0.